The Robotic Pool Cleaner 2025 features an impressive cordless design powered by a high-capacity battery, allowing it to operate for up to 180 minutes on a single charge. Equipped with a smart gyroscope-based navigation system and four-wheel drive traction, this cleaner efficiently navigates various pool surfaces, ensuring thorough coverage. With its ability to climb walls and scrub the waterline, the Robotic Pool Cleaner 2025 delivers a comprehensive cleaning experience, adapting seamlessly to different pool shapes and surfaces. The one-touch start feature simplifies the cleaning process, making it easy for users to activate the cleaner without any complex setup or configuration. Built with durable materials, this pool robot is designed to withstand the demands of frequent use and is compatible with a wide range of pool surface types. The large fine filter capacity of this robotic cleaner ensures effective debris capture, from fine dust to larger leaves, reducing the frequency of maintenance required.